Well, they said we were going to get a snowstorm. And I think maybe they're right. We got, oh, it's just starting, but it's probably a little over an inch of snow. It's supposed to snow all night, so we're probably going to get to 5 inches. I already swept the porch off once, and as you can see from my tracks, it snowed some more. But it's winter wonderful. My new light just went off. Gotta get it back on here. Come on, back on. There you go. Okay. Oh well. Punxsy Phil was right. I don't care what anybody says.